In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the margins in your Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a formal report, a personal letter, or any other document, setting the right margins is key to achieving a professional and polished look. Let's begin by opening up your document in Google Docs. If you haven't created one yet, simply head to your Google Drive and either select an existing doc or start a new one. Once you're inside your document, navigate to the top of your page. There you'll find the menu bar, filled with various options to customize your document to fit your needs. From these options, click on File. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, offering a variety of settings and configurations. From this list, go ahead and select Page Setup. Following this, a dialog box labeled Page Setup will pop up on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Inside this dialog, you'll see fields for setting your margins, specifically for the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the page. Here's where you have the flexibility to set these margins to whatever measurement suits your document's requirements. Perhaps you're adhering to a style guide or just prefer a bit more space for annotations. Whatever the case may be, type in your desired measurements into these fields. Remember, taking the time to adjust these settings now will ensure your document doesn't get cropped or cut off during printing, and will also contribute to a tidy, well-organized document. Now, a particularly handy tip for you. If you find yourself repeatedly using specific margin settings, there's a way to make your life easier. Look towards the bottom of this dialog box, and if it's available to you, you'll find an option that says Set as Default. Clicking this means that any new document you create in the future will automatically adopt these margin settings, saving you the step of adjusting them each time. It's like setting a personal template for all your future Google Docs projects. After making sure everything looks good to go, click OK to apply these changes to your document. Instantly, you'll see your document adjust to reflect the new margins you've set. It's as simple as that. And now your documents will have that orderly and structured appearance you're aiming for. And there you have it. Adjusting margins in Google Docs is straightforward once you know where to go. Keep this knowledge handy for all your future writing endeavors and impress with documents that exhibit attention to detail and professionalism. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might appreciate a quick guide to mastering Google Docs. Until next time, happy writing!